In this video, I am gonna show you how to use sales motivation from the movie The Wolf of Wall Street. The Wolf of Wall Street is one of my favorite movies of all time. It's based on a true story about Jordan Belfort, who was a stockbroker on Wall Street. He ended up making $110 million in less than 2 years. But his success didn't come easy. He had to start at the bottom and work his way up. And along the way, he faced many obstacles and challenges that tested his willpower and determination. But despite all the setbacks he experienced, Jordan never gave up on his dream of becoming successful. He stayed focused on his goal and kept pushing himself to achieve it. If you want to learn how to use sales motivation from the movie The Wolf of Wall Street, then make sure to watch this video till the end. In this video, I am gonna show you 3 ways that you can use sales motivation from the movie The Wolf of Wall Street. 1. Use positives. One of the most important things that Jordan did was he never doubted himself. Even when things were tough and he felt like giving up, he would remind himself that he could do it. He would tell himself positive things about himself in order to boost his confidence and keep going. For example, when Jordan was starting out as a stockbroker and he was struggling to make sales, he would say to himself, "I am a great salesman. I can do this." By using positive self-talk, Jordan was able to stay motivated and keep pushing himself even when things were difficult. 2. Visualize success. Another thing that helped Jordan stay motivated was that he would visualize success. He would close his eyes and imagine himself being successful as a stockbroker. He would think about all the money he would make and all the nice things he would be able to buy. And this helped him to stay focused on his goal and not get distracted by the obstacles and challenges that he faced. For example, when Jordan was working long and hard hours as a stockbroker and he was starting to feel burnt out, he would take some time to close his eyes and visualize himself relaxing on a beach somewhere. This helped him to remember why he was working so hard, and it gave him the strength to keep going. 3. Don't give up. The most important lesson we can learn from Jordan is that we should never give up on our dreams. No matter how difficult things might seem, we should always keep trying and never give up. This is the only way to achieve our goals and be successful in life. For example, when Jordan was arrested for insider trading and sentenced to prison, he could have easily given up on his dreams. But instead, he used this setback as motivation to start a new business and reinvent himself. If you want to be successful in life, then you need to never give up on your dreams. Keep trying, no matter what obstacles or challenges you face. And always remember to use positive self-talk, visualize success, and don't give up. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.